Hello, I'm Kate Stichina and you're on InstaForex TV channel. After fixing profits of short positions while increasing the volume of long ones, traders should consider the upcoming events scheduled for the beginning of the next week. So, you are watching a video calendar of a Forex trader on InstaForex TV. Japan's data regarding the growth of the country's economy will open the week. Most of the experts anticipate it to reflect a slowdown. Perhaps the report will exceed the estimates, but they are not likely to change the sentiment towards the yen, as it usually reacts to geopolitics and risks. Currently, the Japanese currency depends on US-China relations. If things go well, the dollar-yen pair will rise. Another currency whose movement reacts to the trade conflict between Washington and Beijing is the Australian dollar. Besides, there is one event in a trader's calendar that is able to wake the Aussies bears up: the minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia's meeting. The market appreciated the decision of the regulator to avoid lowering the interest rate. Nevertheless, the report is still likely to point out the need to soften the monetary policy. The US dollar may face similar headwinds, as the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee's meeting are scheduled for Wednesday late evening. A bit earlier in the European session, traders will be looking into the UK inflation data, which is expected to show an increase to the target level of 2% on a yearly basis. However, the reading might undershoot the forecast. In this case, investors will compare which currency is weaker, the US dollar and the British pound. Apart from the mentioned events, traders should also look at the following ones. Monday will bring the producer price index from Germany and the Bundesbank monthly report. On Tuesday, traders will hear about the US labor market as well as the Eurozone's consumer confidence. Wednesday will start with important data from the Asia-Pacific region, such as New Zealand's retail sales and Japan's trade balance. At the end of the day, the retail sales report from Canada will be released. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.